days will come when you don't have the strength, when all you hear is your...
Hey everybody, it's Uncle Bucky. Welcome to another edition of Uncle Bucky's Outdoor Adventures. Today is September 16th. I'm heading back out to my urban zone that I was at yesterday morning. I'm going to set up a little bit further into the woods, actually right where I have my game trail camera at. Got these pictures of a doe and a coyote. I'm going to sit up somewhere in this area. I got a tree picked out, a pretty decent sized tree. Hopefully everything will work out with it, and I'll catch you guys back here in about an hour and a half in the stand. Well, as you can see, I had that little small buck come right underneath me, went down the path, and I think because of the tree I was in, I just didn't get an opportunity to get my bow down. It really kind of surprised me where it came in from. What it did, though, it gave me a big hint to where the deer are coming in and out of the woods. You know, guys, once we get up in our tree stands, things look a lot different. And today, that woods looked a lot different than it did on the ground. So, anyways, let's get back to the action. Guys, I made a bad shot on that deer. It looks like, sorry, man. The shot wasn't the greatest. I knew once I hit the buck that I hit it back, and they took off. Now, one of the things I did and I tell everybody to do, is watch those deer as long as you can. Keep your eyes peeled on your deer that you shot. Even if there's a bunch of deer, don't take your eyes off that deer. Watch it as far as you can go. Make a mental note where it went.
Finally gave me an opening in the one spot, and I thought it was wide open, and guess what? I think I hit a limb and he's took a step. I watched it hit him right around his liver. He was bleeding real good when he ran off, and I saw him run, but I didn't see him come through one area. I'm hoping maybe that rage. I need you to help me out today, but wow, nothing but my fault. I drew on him several times. There's never, ever too many deer around. There must have been a dozen deer out there, but I'm gonna give him an hour and we'll go down and look. Waiting game, hardest part, guys. You all know it. Hey everybody, I'm down on the ground. I'm gonna go look where the arrow was at. I'm just sick to my stomach. I couldn't sit up there any longer, so I'm hoping it all works out. Standing right in this area here. Get a better bearing. And he ran off right through here. I'll go up here and try to find some blood. I don't see my arrow. Alright guys, we picked up the blood. I've been on it for about 80 yards now. He's running right down through here. I'm gonna catch you up here. Yeah, he's bleeding good now. I think he won't be too much further. But I knew right where I hit him. I seen it. What do we do, guys? It's part of hunting. You gotta take the good and the bad. Hopefully, I'll recover this. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna catch you up here in a minute. It's like he's going down here to the water. There we go. Good sign. Good sign here. Good sign. Good sign. Good sign. Oh, yeah, he's bleeding. Okay. He can't be much further, guys. Oh. Hold on. I see him. Hold on, guys. He looks out. Me. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Here we go, guys. Yes, guys. Nice little urban zone buck here. Let me get it.
Hey fellas, I'm back. I recovered this nice urban buck. Looks like he's about a 2.5-year-old buck. You sure tell they don't got a lot of good nutrition in this area. If he's a 1.5 years old, I'll check his teeth. I don't think so. Looks by the size of it. By his head and his body, he's probably a 2.5-year-old buck. If he's a 1.5 years old, he would have been. He came in, he was the biggest one out of the 9 I saw this morning. Had that one come in right under my stand. And you know, this is my urban zone. And in urban zone here, around this town we live in, you're not supposed to be out here antler hunting. You're supposed to be taking deer out to help control the population so we stop having so many vehicle deer accidents. And I'll tell you, I'm tickled pink today. You know why? Been rubbing. Looks like his just starting to get some of the white tips starting to. I think he's just rubbed his velvet off probably here in the last week. Tickle pink because this is a year I want to dedicate this to my mom this whole year. I bought these arrows. I was out at Dick's Sporting Goods and I actually wasn't even looking for arrows, and I saw these. They were on sale. They're gold tips, what I always use, hunters, but these are called Devastators. They're made specifically for Dick's, but they're in red and white. And I don't know if you guys remember the video of my mom. She was a huge IU fan, and I thought they're even on sale. I mean, buy one get one half off. I'm like, that's my mom right there telling me them are your arrows. So this one goes to you, Mom. I even put a picture of her right here on my bow, so I can remember her while I'm out. What a great lady she was. She taught me to be thankful to God for everything we have, and I want to thank God right now. Lord, I just thank you for the life of this deer, for the substance it's going to provide for my family, for the hunt, and to be able to share this on video with all the people that watch my videos. I just thank you for all your blessings, Lord. These deer today. Thank you, Mr. Harmon, for making that great interdigital. You can see this, the wind was blowing right at them. They had their noses up. I don't know if you're going to be able to see much of it on the video. What a video this morning. I got out the tree I wanted to go up. No way to get up it. It was just too big. I didn't have my climber out here the other day. I didn't take it back in there with me. I went up this little popsicle stick. I looked like a corn dog up in this tree. I got up about 15 or 16 feet. My feet were angled down. I thought, Lord, this is going to be a tough day. And it was. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to be the first to admit, you're going to see it on the video. I don't know what happened. We'll wait and see on the video. I don't know if this joker took a step forward when I shot. First one for the season, guys, is September 16th. It was a beautiful morning. I thank the Lord. Thank my mom for teaching me to have tenacity, because I didn't give up on this buck. He didn't start bleeding real good for about 90 yards, and then once he did, he let out. And I thank my wife. She let me come out yesterday on her birthday. Our opening day was yesterday, but thank you, Norma, once again. But thank you, everybody, for watching. As always, take care, be safe, and most of all, have fun. Sacred.